guys, back again with the Redcat Jevries 64. I've had these lights for a while. I've been dreading putting them in because I hate doing wiring. I hate lights and dealing with all that. This set is from Redcat and it's kind of expensive. I think I got it directly from Redcat. It's around 52 bucks shipped. I don't know. You have to hot glue the lights in or some other type of glue to hold the LEDs into the sockets. I guess I'm just spoiled, used to RC 4-wheel drive rigs. All of the light buckets and stuff have tabs that screw on. There's a place to mount it. It holds the LEDs in place. A little bit classier. I do get some functionality. You saw we've got reverse lights. The brake lights dim when you are accelerating, so you actually have a functioning brake light. But we don't have blinkers. And I'm really surprised. It seems like that would have been really easy to do on here. But I don't know. We've got the blinkers in the front. We could have made the rears blink. I don't know. It was a little bit pricey. I know I've seen a couple other YouTubers running these and stuff like that. And there's already a bunch of other sets out there, I'm sure. I've seen a lot of people got some LED sets that have a warm, natural looking halogen headlight as opposed to the LEDs. But if you look at modern lowriders, you see that every 64's got color matched halo LED rings and stuff. So it's not that far-fetched for have some bright LEDs in the front of a 64 Impala. But yeah, that was just a little, a lot of zip ties, a lot of tape, a lot of glue. Felt a little cheap hot gluing lights in this car, as expensive as it was. But it works and gets the job done. There are no taillight lenses. Let me flip it around here. So these are all part of the chrome piece that goes through, and your LED is just the light inside of there. It looks pretty good, but it's, yeah, you know, I expected a little bit of a lens. Everything I'm used to, RC 4-wheel drive and whatnot, has actual lenses and things. The fronts have lenses. So, I don't know. I guess can't really be too disappointed. It works. I don't know what's next for this thing. I'm kind of starting to get bored. So I need to start looking at some other stuff we can do to it. And everybody wants to see me chop it and make it actually lay rocker and stuff like that. But I don't know. Every now and then I get bored and I just come in here, start popping the switches and having a little fun with it. Now we got lights that work. Alright, so one thing with this, the light kit has 3 of these little jumpers. I think they're numbered K2, 3, and 4. You have to remove the first one and the last one. Leave the middle one to be able to make the brake lights function properly and the reverse lights work. This is made specifically for this car. I don't know why they would have these in it where it makes it not work with this car, but go figure. But one of those little things, these little tedious little doodads you pull out. These are like on your ESCs when you set your LiPo or nickel metal setting, or your forward brake reversed or forward brake. Just one of those little jumpers that connects 2 prongs on that controller. But I'm going to wrap this one up here, guys. I'm losing my voice. Keep it scale, and I will see y'all in the next one.